Hello my friends and welcome to HairTrickTv, helping you to solve your hair problems so that you can achieve all your hair goals. I'm Pallavi and in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do a French bun. Let's get started with today's video. So for this hairstyle, you would need some U-pins and two bobby pins. And if you have medium length hair, a bit shorter than mine, then it will be a lot more easier for you to do this hairstyle. So first I will take my hair in the front and create a little poof. I don't want much volume. I would suggest you to do a little poof in the front. Otherwise, when we are doing the bun in the back, the front part can get a bit messy. So I'm gonna create a little poof. I also have a video on how to do a poof. So I will link that video up in here and in the description box. And I'm just gonna pin it down with some bobby pins. And then I'm gonna turn around and show you how to do the bun. So I will take all my hair in a lower ponytail, take it low, and then I'm gonna take my left hand, make a loop like this, and I will twist my hair and take it above. Twist a couple of more times to make it a bit tighter. And then I will take the hair, this part, and pull it up so we have nice and clean on this side. And then I'm gonna twist the rest of my hair and try to hide it inside here. So now I'm gonna use the bobby pins to secure it in place. So I will insert the bobby pin in this direction and then flip it on this side and then insert it. And then once my lower part is a bit secure, I'm gonna hide the top section. So I have my hair a little bit messed up in the front, which I said if you didn't have done the poof, it would have been a lot more messier. So I'm gonna just use my bobby pin to fix this hair. It's super simple to do but looks a little bit difficult, but it's super simple to do. You can wear this in special occasions, in formal events. It looks beautiful. So yeah, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel by clicking on my channel icon right here. I upload new videos every Saturday 5 PM. I will see you in my next video. Until then, don't forget to love your hair. Bye. I suggest to do this because otherwise when you are doing the bun, the front part can get a little bit messy.